A lot of the people I've talked to have essentially said, "What's the best type of filament to recycle? New filament, don't bother."
The goal of grinding up plastics is to recycle all the waste material, hopefully into filament that can be reprinted.
We want to reuse some of the extra filament that shows up from failed prints, maybe just the end of a roll.
Sometimes people's prints fail in the middle, or they don't pick them up after they're completed even. And so I start by breaking them down kind of by hand or with some hand tools so that they can be fed more easily into the granulator.
Because otherwise that would normally get trashed. So instead we're hoping to grind that up and then re-extrude new rolls of filament using that and reduce waste. Hopefully this will help us progress forward.